Cancel.
Cancel ka na, cancel. Cancel na.
Yeah. Boogie, add Jason on in game and then re-party. You guys need to re-party.
Nag-leave na ako.
Okay. Then invite Boogie again. Add him.
Nasaan si Rakbo mo? Si Rakbo.
Hindi kita makita.
Wala. Ito to. Ang nandito lang sa akin, Rakbo Pulsen. Hindi niya ako friend.
Oh, i-add mo siya.
Anong name mo, kuya, ano?
Boogie.
Teka. Check ko nga yung ano niya. Sa convo namin. I-send ko sa Jay. Copy and paste it. Saan mo yun? Si Boogie. Boogie.
Messenger?
Hindi. Sige. Ay, wala. Boogie, where's your ID? Activation's ID.
Saan ba makikita ko activation ID?
Let me check. There you go. I already have it. Ito, Jay. Send ko sa'yo. Sa Messenger. Just copy and paste it. And then add.
Ako naglalag tayo.
Yan.
Alright.
Send request send.
Naglag tayo. Aray ko.
Okay.
Nawala yung baril.
Ready?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Bilis ng matchmaking sa akin kanina.
Pagka ganon, if that happens, you need to re-party.
Kasi pag hindi, papasok ka yan.
Oo. Tapos may iwan si Boogie, ikaw lang sa loob.
Hindi, ako ang pumapasok kanina eh.
Kanina ikaw.
Ako ang papasok kanina, kaya ang bilis ko mag-exit. Kaya nawala yung pangalawa kong insured gun. Kasi actually nakapasok na ako eh. Nag-leave lang talaga ako. Connecting na kami.
Join. Trying to connect.
Connecting, same.
Ngayon naglalag ako bakit kaya to?
Nagpa-packet loss?
Packet, wala. 0% ang packet loss ko.
It's okay.
Ang taas kasi ng MS ko eh. 230 yung ping ko. 240.
Waiting loading level?
Waiting loading level din. Launching?
Launching, same. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same.
Inatake kagad kayo ng kanina?
Yes, they popped the UAV and then
They know you
they are fully geared.
Oh, tayo nandito
We're here on the same spot, Organico Farms.
Yeah, nandito din kayo sa malapit. UAV kagad tayo. UAV kagad tayo.
Okay.
Papap sila dito eh. Sa UAV kagad tayo. Pupunta dito. Come on.
We're here in the buy station.
Takbo mo natin UAV, pupuntahan dito kagad.
Saan ba kayo banda, Boogie?
Nandito kami sa malapit sa may barko na may UAV. Sa may maraming mga stronghold. Shipwreck. Hindi siya shipwreck. Sa may mga stronghold, malapit sa may beach club na may UAV, na may alam mo yung ship na pwede mong i-infiltrate?
Oh, okay.
Pagitan ng ng beach club po sa Shika. Where we go?
We're here on Organico Farms, Boogie, on the buy station.
Okay. Punta kami dyan.
Yeah, we're just gonna wait here for you guys.
Wala kami, di kami fully geared, kaya medyo may...
Yes, sir.
Tayo coming na side.
Okay.
Mahina.
Copy that.
Saan tayo magkikita?
Here, on the buy station.
Buy
Much
station?
more safe.
Alam mo yun Alam mo yun na...
Oh, shit! He shotgunned me.
Alam mo yung kung saan na buy station?
Careful, Justin.
Pakitinga.
Buy station.
Dito?
He's on shotgun. He's on
Aganico.
The one
Yeah,
shotgun.
alam ko na Aganico. By station. Kunin natin to. Puntahin ka ba ganito? Aganito.
Agad
Nice
ikaw.
one, nice one.
Papunta kami dyan, ha? Papunta kami dyan.
Yeah, careful. There's 2 players here.
Yeah. Sasakay kami ng sasakay kami ng amphibious, ha? Kami yung nasa amphibious.
He's coming for you.
You can come.
Oh, what's that? Bowgun. There you go. There you go.
Boogie, where you guys?
We're near.
We're near.
There you go with
We're in the buy station.
Play it up.
We're here.
Don't shoot. We're in the buy station.
If you
Yeah.
if you saw a rat, don't shoot.
Don't shoot. Justin is the only one alive. He's on the tower, so anyone that you see on your way, kill them.
Okay.
There's 2 of them.
Okay,
One on
kalaban.
2 place and one on 3 place.
Down.
Down yung isa.
Nice one.
Down yung isa.
Yeah. There's
Down.
I'm the one here.
San. Justin, you can go down now. Justin, you can go down now. Justin, go down. We're gonna protect here. Huwag mo na kunin yan.
Here, I'm the one pleading, Boogie.
Yeah. Do you want me to accept you?
Yes, sir.
Ikaw to kuya, nakahiga?
Yes.
Okay. Justin, that's Justin. Ayos.
I'm going to join Justin again.
Okay, cool.
Got my gun. Justin, where are you? I'm here on the tower.
I'm revolving the machine.
Oh, okay. Someone is blasting me again. I'm going to join them, guys. Where's my gun?
Oh, who's that? Sino yan? Sino pumatay?
Wala ko.
Just do.
Wala ko dyan. Nag-join ako sa kanila, guys.
Sino yung-
Dalawa.
Hindi natin kakampi?
Hindi.
Invite nyo ako. Asan kayo banda?
Just go.
Where are you guys? Yeah, it's Justin. Where are you guys?
Teka.
Yeah.
May player dito?
Oh, meron. Dalawa. Ay, sa likod mo na, sa likod.
Oh, shit.
Boogie,
Run,
Boogie,
move.
Justin, you're up. I'm on the roof. I can see you. Okay, careful. Behind you.
Who's throwing Molotov?
Behind you. Under you. Ako yun. Don't blast me. I'm the one. I'm that. Send an invite.
Sino yan sa taas? Kayo ba yan?
Okay, ba?
Sino ba nasa taas? Kayo ba?
Ako na to.
Kayo nasa taas o nasa baba kayo?
Sa taas.
Oh, ako nasa taas.
Hold up. I can see him here, guys.
I-revive ko lang to kapatid mo, ha? Oh, si may bumabay sa akin!
May buwabaril.
With shotgun. Someone is using shotgun.
May Chinese.
Yes.
Wala na tayo. Ano tayo? Wipe out.
Come on. Just plead, guys. One of you plead.
There's the
Kunin mo si ano?
No, hold up.
Huwag niyo ako kunin kasi mawawa. Ay! Kinuha mo ako!
It's okay, Boogie.
someone pick me up.
Yeah, I'm here, Justin. Oh, shit.
Wala akong baril.
Where is he? That? Killed him. Got him.
You're a hard boss, but you'll make it.
Go, pick me up.
Hold on.
Si ano, di nag-plead si ano di nag-plead si kapatid mo.
Nag-plead ako, nag-plead. So, waiting for response na lang.
Where's Matin? Where are you, Jay?
Dito kung saan, kung saan si Kuya Bug.
Okay.